How to pay your Gemini credit card bill online. First of all, open the app on your device and log into your account. Next, tap on the card section from the bottom bar to access your Gemini credit card. Then tap on the pay button to start the payment process. If you haven't linked the payment method yet, you will need to add one by tapping Add Payment Method and entering your bank details. Once your payment method is linked, select a payment amount such as the current balance or a custom amount. Choose the date you want the payment to be processed and confirm your linked payment method. Finally, tap on Pay to authorize the transaction. You will receive a confirmation that your payment has been submitted successfully. After the payment is processed, your Gemini credit card balance will be updated and you can view the transaction in your account history. Now you know how to pay your Gemini credit card bill online easily and securely. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more trading tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.